Hey friends, good morning. So I and my friend Pradeep are at Dhruvatare this morning, and why we come here, right? Is just this. Look at it, guys. What an amazing dosa! And this is something we just had a while before. This was all idli vada. So yeah, this is the breakfast. And if you are somebody who loves South Indian breakfast, look no further than Dhruvatare. So really amazing breakfast. So yeah, Pradeep, anything you have to say?
Amazing dosas.
Yeah.
That's the reason we came so far.
Yeah. So let's finish our breakfast and then take a look at the bike. And I'm going to show you something very special in Pradeep's bike today. Yeah. So another thing to die for, this lovely amazing filter coffee here, strong filter coffee, what we both prefer. So Pradeep, any thoughts on the coffee here?
Coffee is why we come. My whole channel is called Motochino.
Yeah.
It's motorcycling and cappuccino, and yeah, coffee is coffee.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, let's enjoy the coffee and what a coffee, man. Amazing.
It's the spot.
So we have a Ducati Panigale. This is yeah, one of the super bikes here. I think other one is a Ninja 250 or a 300. So this is a very special super bike. So looks amazing in the lovely red color actually. So we're just out of Dhruvatare, and if you are somebody who's looking for a lovely ride from Bangalore and an amazing breakfast, this is the place to be. So do definitely check it out while you are passing this way or one of your breakfast rides. So now let's get ahead and take a look at the bikes here. So today Pradeep has finally, on my request, he has agreed to ride the CB350 Highness. So that's Pradeep's bike and this is my bike, as you guys have seen it enough. So today I'm going to feature Pradeep's bike and the different accessories what he has got on his bike. Hey friends, heading back from Dhruvatare. So you see my friend Pradeep riding right in front of me, and today he is riding Honda CB350 Highness. So this was Dhruvatare. We just went back. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, Pradeep is right now resting his legs on the Zana Crash Guard Rider foot pegs. You can see there, right there. Looks pretty good. So when you are on a long ride, you can rest your legs this way and relax a bit, stretch a bit. So looks good so far. The Zana Crash Guard. We've just pulled over and I've swapped my bike with Pradeep's bike. I'm going to ride Pradeep's bike and talk about a couple of things in terms of modifications what he has and how it plays out on the road, right, when you're riding. That's more important. So let's get going. So yes, first hand experience. The handlebar risers are
really improving the overall riding ergonomics. I feel more upright on this bike versus my bike. So pretty much this is increasing the height by say about 1 inch, and also the handlebar is a bit more towards me, right? In my bike I would be somewhere here, but in this I am here right now, and my hands are quite in parallel and very comfortable riding. Had yes, he apparently had the back cover of the horn removed. So let me pull over. We pulled over for some sugarcane juice. Let me show you what cover I'm talking about. So when Pradeep got this horn installed from this point to this point, this back cover, what is there on my bike has been removed. So in turn I am feeling that it's louder than my bike. As you can hear, let me go ahead and show you that cover on my bike so that you get the exact understanding what I'm talking about. So this cover, guys, this cover can be removed. So if you see, sound is quite muffled, right? So yes, if this cover is removed, the horn feels a little bit louder. So I'm going to try that out and probably remove this as well. And yeah, that's a quick hack which I thought I'll share with all of you. So guys, sugarcane juice in progress. So we are going to have some sugarcane juice and cool off, and then get going back to Bangalore, back home after this lovely Sunday morning ride. Become a huge fan of this style of riding, where you can keep your leg on that cruising foot pegs, right? That's really amazing, especially if you are on a long ride. You can just put your leg on top of those foot pegs and keep going, like how Pradeep is riding. Yeah, these are the most miserable road humps, guys, the worst ones. So as I told you, in the second service I had gone in for Motul 300V engine oil, which is of recommended grade as per Honda, 5W30 grade. So I went in for that particular engine oil, and I found a marked difference in the overall smoothness, refinement, and gear shifting. Bike is ever more smoother than what it was before, and gear shifts are absolutely slick and very smooth. So amazing engine oil. So happy that I made that choice and went in for a Motul 300V, which I always wanted to try out on this bike. Happy with the performance. So there's my friend Pradeep on his Honda CB350 Highness, matte Marshall green. So he got this bike out on a highway after a long time. I've been requesting him to get the Highness someday for a Sunday ride. So finally it's there. So that was the same Ducati Panigale, what we saw at Dhruvatare. It's been an amazing Sunday morning ride today. Really, it was amazing, pleasant weather and a bit sunny, but not too crazy. So we were able to enjoy our ride really well. And trust me guys, the bike has been very smooth at the triple digit speeds, right? As you see right now, I'm doing about close to 110 on the speedo. Got to be very careful with the people who just come this way across the road. So they don't really have an idea at what speed the vehicles are coming many a times. So from here I'm planning to head back to my parents' place, which is near Bannerghatta Road, and enjoy a lovely Sunday afternoon lunch, spend some time with them, and then head back home at night. So that's the plan for the Sunday. Oh guys, looks like someone had a moment. Looks like somebody had a moment, guys. The person is sitting, looks like it's a two-wheeler accident, but the person is sitting here, seems to be very unfortunate. It's very important to be very careful while riding on the highways, right? Because you never know, even if you are careful, it could be a misjudgment or careless riding on the other person's part. So it's always good to be extra cautious. We are approaching the junction where left takes to Tumkur and right takes to Bangalore. So we'll be heading towards Bangalore, and once we head on to this road, we'll be getting onto the nice road and dispersing from there. All right. Need to get onto the highway on the other side. The service road is going to be really slow. heading to the nice road, guys. So that's where Pradeep would go towards Kanakpura. I go towards Bannerghatta. So seems like summer is catching up. It's not that hot yet, but I think it's just 12:20. So in a month's time, I think we would be in the peak summers, which is April midweek.